friend just came over with his Lexus to install the fog mode kit. The fog mode kit is basically that the rear fog lights turn on when you turn on the lights. With the standard they don't. And he wants my help with installing it because I already have one. And as you can see, the normal fog lights are turned on, but they're not as bright as when the fog lights are turned on. As you can see, it's normal, same as the brake light. They're not bright, only when I turn the fog lights on. I will show you. So I'm turning on the fog lights. I turn on the lights. What the fuck? Oh, there you go. The rear fog is now on, and as you can see, they're much brighter now. And if I will brake, then the brake lights turn brighter, of course. And that's what we're gonna install today.
I'm sick, I really need some help. I've been trying to get a job, but it didn't work out. I've been feeling like a bitch, you know that I'm fucking.
Bravo! Hij is weer dingen, mechaniek. Hoe heet hem? Mechanic. Nee, gewoon mechanic. Why? Bitch, you know that I'm fucking. I'm sorry that I know that I'm sick. I really need some help. I'm trying to get a job. Feeling like a bitch, you know that I'm fucking. I'm sorry that I tried too hard to be myself. I know that I'm sick. I really need some help. I'm trying to get a job, but it didn't work out. I've been feeling like a bitch, you know that I'm fucking down. I'm sorry. Too hard to be myself. I know that I'm sick. I really need some help. I was trying to get a job, but it didn't work out. I've been feeling like a bitch, you know that I'm fucking down. I'm sorry that Gezondheid. Dankjewel.
I know that I'm sick. I really need some help. I'm trying to get a job. Bitch, you know that I'm fucking.
Hij pakt het niet goed. Hij focust alles behalve je handen.
Ja. Zwaar. Alleen maar elkaar gesproken. Ja, dat komt. Okay, we need one bulb because the other one broke. And this is the only one we've got. And this is like donor car. So we've only got one more bulb left because the other one just burned through. So hopefully this bulb won't burn, because otherwise he has only one brake light.
Want anders moet er gewoon iets mis zijn met de verlichting, maar dat kan haast niet, hè?
Nee, dat lijkt me ook sterk.
I get lost in your eyes, no surprise I'm feeling you. Every day look at my face, I wanna die. Not because of you, cause I'm feeling like a nothing. Baby, please hold me till my heart starts bumping.
Dat is heel dik. Eén probleem is, je remlicht doet het weer niet links. Nee? Nee. Nee.
Ja, deed het net. Werkt wel. Er zal er wel iets in zitten. Het is wel dik.
I'm feeling you, baby, what you going through? Hands around my neck, and I know she love it too. I've been trying so hard to keep my shit together, don't get it messed up. Problem, you're the answer. I get lost in your eyes, no surprise I'm feeling you. Every day look at my face, I wanna die. Not because of you, cause I'm feeling like a nothing. Baby, please hold me till my heart starts bumping. I've been feeling you, baby, what you going through? Hands around my neck, and I know she love it too. I've been trying so hard to keep my shit together, don't get it messed up. I'm the problem, you're the answer. I get lost in your eyes, no surprise I'm feeling you. Every day look at my face, I wanna die.